Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change theme on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to do so, we need to open the settings, then you want to scroll down and find themes. If you go over here, you'll open Galaxy themes, and if you need to, of course, update the app. After that, you want to make sure that themes is selected in the bottom left corner. And now over here you can start searching for themes. You can also switch to top category, and then over here on the left side tap on all in order to include only free content. So by doing so we will see only free apps. And now let's say we're gonna choose something like this. Let's say we want to use this theme over here. In order to apply it, first we need to download it, so press download, and once we download it we should be able to apply it. So let's press apply. Now you might need to wait a couple of seconds, and eventually we should update the theme. As you can see, we have a new one. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.